Hey yo, what going on my YouTube community and everybody? How you all doing for this festive season? You know we have Christmas and come on New Year's and things like that. And I tell you guys, I've been doing so much things. Alright? I've been like, if you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but the place right now is a mess. Trying to take care of some business, get some things on the go, because remember, outside of YouTube we have like other life and things like that, so we have work to do and all of them things, and them things that take up time as well. It's very time consuming, but you don't know, we still are trying to be there for you guys to entertain you to the fullest and everything. And it's like what, today is the 18th of December, and it's like 7 more days till Christmas, so you know it's a lot going on right now, trying to get a lot of things in place and so forth. And I really want to wish you guys the best Merry Christmas when it comes, and a Happy New Year as well when it comes. I know we have the COVID right now, which regardless we still are trying to live through that and you know, set certain standards same way and enjoy ourselves to the fullest regardless, because you don't know, we only have one life to live. That doesn't mean we'll go out of the way and do things where, you know, go jeopardize your life and things like that. So I want to urge you guys to keep yourself safe and practice social distancing as much as you can, where you can and when you can. Alright? It doesn't mean you're not going to enjoy yourself to the max same way. Alright? Because you don't know. I mean, like, this year is the worst I've seen so many end of the year. I mean, it's the worst for me. I don't know for anybody else, but from my experience, it's the worst I have seen. You know. So at the end of the day, I want to say thank you guys to all my subscribers and all my supporters and things like that at the end of the day. I know I haven't been doing much videos, but coming next year I'm trying to get some things in place, such as new cameras and things like that, because I'm planning on going out on some epic adventure, meaning like, that's what I say, you know, going aquatic. So I'll be doing a lot of underwater videos and things like that with my general Alex, you don't know, and going out more. So I'm trying to get things in place, some GoPros and a new drone as well, because the drone I had got busted. So things like that kind of slow down certain things, but we're still pushing on regardless, and yeah, we're still pushing on, and there's a lot more content to come for next year. Next year is going to be an epic year regardless. We're going to make it very much enjoyable for you guys and things like that. So all my supporters, I want to say thank you again. My subscribers, thank you very much. I don't know if you guys have any thoughts on things that we can do for the upcoming. I've been writing out some stuff, like things that I want. I've been planning a lot about what I want to do going throughout next year, and you know, I don't know if you guys have any opinion. Please drop it in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. And what else? Yes, and I even bought this thing online where I'm planning on doing a prank on my girlfriend with this thing. It's like I'm not sure if you guys can see it from where I'm, but maybe the camera doesn't pick it up like our eyes do, but when you add something inside of it, it's like this, and you add something like on the inside right here, and what it does is like projects light. I'm not even sure how it works, but I'd have to get some more detail. But it projects light from here and it shows like an holographication of the item that's inside there. So when I'm looking at it, like, let me see if I can catch it. Not sure if you guys can see like that little frog right there. Let me see. I mean, I would have to pan the camera properly to get it right. I would have to, but it actually works. It actually works. So because of limitations and things like that, I haven't been creating a lot of videos. So coming next year, guys, there'll be so much more to come. A lot more greater content, a lot more enjoyable content for you guys to watch. So until then, keep yourself safe. Merry Christmas, guys, and please have a prosperous New Year's. Peace.